Hello my little friends, let's write A. One small round, one small curve like a trunk. This is small a. A for ant. Now let's write B. One standing line, one round curve on the bottom right. This is small b. B for ball. Let's write C. One curve like a moon. That's small c. C for cat. Let's try D. One standing line, one round curve on the left. That's small d. D for dog. Now write E. One slipping line and one curve. That's small e. E for elephant. Now write F. One curve with one standing line and cut the line in the middle. This is small f. F for fish. Let's try G. One small round and one standing line with a tail. That's G. G for goat. Now write H. One standing line, one curve on the right. That's H. H for horse. Now write I. One standing line, one dot. That is small I. I for ice cream. Let's try to write J. One standing line with a tail and one dot above. That is J. J for jacket. Now write K. One standing line, two slanting lines. That is small k. K for key. Now we can write L. One standing line. That's enough. That is L. L for lotus. Let's write M. One standing line, two curves. 1, 2. That is small m. M for mango. Now write N. One standing line and one curve. That is N. N for nut. Let's try to write O. One small round. That is O. O for orange. Now write P. One standing line, one round curve on the top. That is P. P for peacock. Now write Q. One standing line, one round curve on the top right. That is Q. Q for queen. Let's try to write R. One standing line, one small half curve. This is small r. R for rainbow. Let's try to write S. One curve, another curve. That is S. S for sun. Now write T. One standing line with tail. Cut the line in the middle. That is small t. T for tiger. Now write U. One curve like capital U. Add one curve like a trunk. This is small u. U for umbrella. Let's try to write B. Slant down, slant up. That is B. B for van. Now write W. 4 slanting lines. Down, up. Down, up. That is small w. W for whale. Now write X. 2 crossing slanting lines. Just like capital X. But this is small. That is small x. X for Xmas tree. Now write Y. One curve like capital U and one standing line with a tail. That is Y. Y for yak. And last, write Z. One slipping line, one slanting line and another slipping line. Just like capital Z. Z for zebra. Very well done. See you in the next video. Bye bye.